central Marys County, north central Phelps County, northeastern Pulaski County, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:48 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dixon and moving east at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Dixon, Doolittle, Jerome, North Y and Vichy. Interstate 44 between mile markers 171 and 190 will also be impacted by the severe thunderstorm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Missouri: Marys,